Hello, do you know your 11 times table? If you don't, that's great, because we're going to teach you that today. So this is your 11 times table, okay? And all you're doing for 11 times table is counting up in multiples of 11. So it's the same as saying, what is 11 plus 11 plus 11, and it just keeps going on. Now, the easiest way, let's just count this together first, okay? So it goes 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110, and finally 121. Now, the easiest way to work out your times table is to simply cross off one of these numbers and then say it and try and memorize what number was there. Okay, so in this case it would be 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, and it will keep going on. And then once you've done that cycle, repeat it and cross off another number and keep going until all the numbers are gone. That's the best way to memorize your 11 times table. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!